Today I'll be downloading Windows 11. You can do it through Windows download site. So I just Googled Windows 11 home download, clicked on the first link, which said Microsoft.com. And it gives you three options. One is to use the Windows 11 installation assistant, but for me, I have an older computer, so I won't be able to use the install assistant. I'm going to try to do it either. The easiest way after that is the install creation media. So I have a USB stick handy with me right now, and or I could use the download 11 ISO image and then use software to create a USB stick from that. I'm just going to go ahead and do the Windows 11 install media creation right now. So click on download. Gives this file over here. I'm going to click on it. Click yes. I have all these things over here. I've used this in the past when I did Windows 10, but I've never tried it. I think I may have tried it for Windows 11. Probably not. So over here, we go next. I want a USB flash drive. I have an 8GB one, which I'm going to plug in right now. And now I'm going to go click next. That's not what I wanted. Let's go back. Let's go next. So that's it. That's what I want to run. And I'm going to let it go. It's going to probably take a while since it's like 4 to 8GB, so we'll continue once it gets to a better spot. So it got past downloading. Now it's creating Windows 11 media. I forgot how long that took, but it only took a few minutes because I have a decent internet connection at 80 megabits per second. So we'll let this go. It looks like it's going to take another few minutes, like 3 to 5 minutes to create the USB stick. Started this at around 9:26 and now it's 30 minutes later. The creating Windows media onto my USB stick is taking quite a long time because this is an old USB 2.0 stick. I should have bought some USB 3 sticks that would have made this media creation a lot quicker onto the USB stick. So it's almost done after probably like 15 minutes. 15 or 20 minutes of this. So this is the slowest part, it seems. Almost there. Another 5 minutes now at 99%. Let's see what happens. And that's it. It's all done. Now I can finally use the flash drive. If I click finish, open that, and click on my E drive, here is what's it called? The new boot disk for Windows 11. It's on a small 8GB flash USB 2.0 flash drive. So part 2 will be me trying to install Windows 11 onto an old, I think, an old HP desktop that's about probably like 12 years old. So that's it. This is part 1 of creating Windows 11 install media. You just need a USB stick about 8GB in size. Hopefully you don't run into problems. Mine was pretty error free. It just took a while. It took at least 40 minutes.